Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing very well. This is me again, Shagufta Ali, with you for today's lecture. This is our lecture about the phonic practice of long vowels. Do you know about long vowels? As in previously we have done vowels and short vowels. Do you remember the vowels? What are these? These are A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. In short vowels, we have learned that whenever we use these vowels in any CVC words like cat, bat, they say their phonic sound like A. A is the sound of A. But when there are long vowels, it represents not the sound, it represents its name. It means that if we have A, we will not pronounce its sound. It's called A. A. For example, let's see our description of the long vowels. When a word has 2 vowels, usually the first vowel says its sound and the second is silent. It means that when 2 vowels comes together, first one is talking, second ones keep quiet. First one is talking, second one keeps quiet. It means that जब हमारे पास 2 वॉल्स इकट्ठे आते हैं, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल A और E, अगर दोनों इकट्ठा आ रहा है तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम जस्ट फर्स्ट वॉल का जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा वही प्रोनाउंस करेंगे, उसकी ही साउंड आएगी, यानी A की साउंड आएगी, E की साउंड नहीं आएगी. जस्ट A बोलेगा, E जो होगा वो साइलेंट रहेगा, वो खामोश रहेगा. हम सबसे पहले पढ़ेंगे A की साउंड्स. ये देखें, A और E दरमियान में क्या आ रहा है, डैश आ रहा है. इट मीन्स हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम जस्ट किसकी साउंड बोलेंगे, A की साउंड बोलेंगे. A, A, A और I becomes A. It means A, and the action of A is this, A, 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 A. Remember this, whenever there is A with any other vowel, we will only call the name of A, and the action is A, 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 E, A. What is this? A. Now, K, A, K. This E is silent. This E is silent. हम किसको बता रहे हैं, हम just A की आवाज़ दे रहे हैं. K, A, K, cake. K, A, K, cake. T, A, P, tape. T, A, P, tape. This E is silent. Move forward. Again, A and I is A. What is this? A. T, R, A, N, train. T, A, N, train. आवाज़ किसकी आ रही है, जस्ट A की, I की आवाज़ नहीं आएगी. What is this? This is train. R, A, N, rain. R, A, N, rain. तो ये कौन सी साउंड थी, ये थी A. And what is the action of this sound? A. What is the action of this sound? A. Okay, let's move towards the other sound of E. ये था A and this is E. We have 2 long vowels, E and E, E and A. But what is this? Of course, one E is silent, A is silent, and it's become E. What is this? E. And the action of E is this, E, 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 E. Remember the action? What is the action of this? E, E, E. B, E, B. B, E, B. F, eat, feet. F, eat, feet. P, E. Now A is silent here because A is not talking. So P, eek, peak. P, eek, peak. Eat, read. Eat, Remember A, E, 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 E. Let's move towards the next long vowels. Okay, so we have learned the sounds of A and E. Now here is the sound of I. What is the sound? I. What is the sound? I. And what is the action? I. So this is the action for I. E is silent, so I. B, I, k, bike. B, I, k, bike. N, I, n, nine. N, I, n, nine. E is silent here and E is silent here. I, bike, nine. Again I. This I is with the dash and this is the connected I. I and E becomes I. E is again silent here. P, I, pie. P, I, pie. T, I, tie. T, I, tie. Bike, nine, pie and tie. So here is the sound of O. O. O, E becomes O. E is silent. O, A becomes O. A is silent. And what is the action of O? O. 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 Let's read. O, home. E is silent here. O, home. Home. B, O, born. B, O, born. B, ought, bought. B, ought, bought. G, ought, got. G, ought, got. Home, born, bought, got. So you have learnt I and O sound, and let's move towards the U sound. Let's move towards the last sound of the long vowels, and that sound is of U. U sound. U. And what is the action of U? This. U. 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 Remember the action and remember the sound. This U is with the connected E and this U is with the dash E. U. G, U, glue. G, U, glue. Will, U, blue. Will, U, blue. Glue, blue. Mute, mute, cause this E is silent. Mute, mute, mute. Cube, cube. Cube, cube. So this is the last long vowels. First one is A, E, I, O, U. Remember the actions and remember the sounds. Now let's read and we will see that what kind of different words we can make with these vowels. Now we are going to do the reading of these long vowels. The first one is A sound. Fill A, plain. K, A, cane. T, A, tape. K, A, cake. A, rain. Tr, A, train. P, A, pain. E, b, E, b. F, eat, feet. J, eep, jeep. Eat, meat. P, eek, peak. Eat, read. I, b, ike, bike. I, line. I, nine. P, I, pie. T, I, tie. D, I, die. B, O, born. H, O, home. O, rose. G, ought, got. Eat, read. B, ought, bought. U, cube, cube. Ute, mute. Tube, tube. U, blue. Glue, glue. Clue, clue. So this is for the long vowels. Hope you will remember the sound with the actions. Inshallah, we'll meet you in another lecture. Allah Hafiz.